Who are the professionals that use Power BI the most?
Data analysts, data scientists, senior business leaders, managers, and decision makers rely on Power BI for data visualization and analysis to derive informed business decisions. Let us explore in detail. Data analysts use Power BI to explore, analyze, and visualize data from various sources. Business intelligence analyst. Business intelligence analysts utilize Power BI to collect and transform data into a meaningful visualizations. Data scientist. Data scientists used Power BI to analyze and communicate their finding effectively. Business professionals. Professionals across various business functions such as marketing, sales, operation, and human resources benefit from Power BI. They can access pre-built dashboards and reports or create their own to monitor performance metrics and track goals. Senior leaders and managers. Senior leaders and managers rely on Power BI to have a comprehensive view of their organization performance.
Thank you.